In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your data clean in HubSpot. Clean data is the backbone of accurate reporting, reliable automation, and effective marketing and sales outreach. HubSpot gives you a dedicated space to monitor and fix common data problems, and we'll walk through exactly where to find it and how to make the most of it. Start by navigating to the left pane and opening Data Management. This is your control center for data governance inside HubSpot. From here, select Data Quality. Think of this as your dashboard for spotting what needs attention and organizing your cleanup work. Inside Data Quality, you'll see summaries that highlight the most common issues: duplicate records, formatting inconsistencies, enrichment gaps, and other problem areas. Duplicates are multiple records that represent the same contact, company, or deal, which can lead to conflicting activities and inaccurate pipeline numbers. Formatting issues include things like inconsistent capitalization, phone numbers without country codes, or dates that don't match your preferred format. Enrichment gaps are missing key properties that make it hard to segment, personalize, or route leads effectively. Use this summary view to get a quick sense of the scale and type of cleanup required. Larger counts point to areas where your team may feel the most pain, and trends over time can indicate whether your data hygiene is improving or slipping. When you're ready to take action, click on the tab for each issue type to access the specific tools for fixing them. In the duplicates area, you'll typically be able to review suggested matches and compare records side by side so you can keep the most complete information. In the formatting section, you'll find options that help standardize values, such as normalizing capitalization for names and ensuring consistency in country or state fields. In the enrichment area, you'll see where important properties are missing so you can fill in the blanks and make your records more useful for segmentation and automation. As you work through these tabs, move carefully and review previews where available. Prioritize high-impact properties like email, lifecycle stage, and phone number, since mistakes there can disrupt communications and reporting. Consistency is your friend. Choose a single standard for dates, addresses, and phone formats, and apply it across the board so your lists and workflows behave predictably. That's the process in a nutshell. Go to Data Management, open Data Quality, review the summaries, and click into each issue type to use the cleanup tools. Make it a habit to revisit this area regularly, and your CRM will stay trustworthy, efficient, and ready to support your team's goals.